Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to discuss the recent cricket series between Bangladesh and India. You'll hear a conversation between two friends talking about the match. After that, we'll break down some important vocabulary, and at the end, we'll practice shadowing. Make sure to stay till the end to repeat the sentences and improve your speaking skills. Let's get started.
Hey Sanjay, did you catch the last game between Bangladesh and India?
Oh yes, of course. That series was amazing. Bangladesh played brilliantly in the last match, didn't they?
Definitely. I couldn't believe how well they performed. Their bowling attack was so strong.
Especially Mustafizer. His Yorkers in the last overs were spot on. He really made it difficult for the Indian batsmen.
Exactly. The way he kept his cool under pressure was impressive. And did you see how Lightendas dominated with the bat?
Yes, that century of his was outstanding. It really set the tone for the whole match. India just couldn't keep up with the pressure.
True. The crowd went wild when he hit those sixes. I think that was one of the best innings I've seen from him recently.
Same here. Bangladesh's fielding was also sharp. They didn't miss any chances, and that's what made the difference.
Absolutely. The entire team worked well together. I hope they keep this momentum in the upcoming matches. It's exciting to see such competition between these two teams.
It sure is. I think Bangladesh has a real shot at winning more series like this if they continue playing like that.
Totally agree. Can't wait for the next series.
If you're enjoying this conversation and learning something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future lessons. Part 2. Vocabulary Breakdown. Now, let's break down some important words and phrases from the conversation. Bowling attack. In cricket, bowling attack refers to the team's strategy and the performance of their bowlers. It's how they plan to get the opposition out. Example, Bangladesh's bowling attack was very strong in the final overs. Yorker. A Yorker is a type of delivery in cricket where the ball is bowled right at the batsman's feet. It's very difficult to hit. Example, Mustafizer bowled a perfect Yorker that knocked over the stumps. Under pressure. This means performing well in a stressful situation. Example, Mustafizer bowled well under pressure in the final over. Dominate. To dominate means to be in control or perform better than others. Example, Lightendas dominated the Indian bowlers with his powerful batting. Set the tone. This phrase means to establish a mood or pace for the rest of the event. Example, Lighten's early runs set the tone for Bangladesh's strong innings. Fielding. In cricket, fielding refers to how well the players on the field stop the ball and take catches. Example, Bangladesh's fielding was sharp throughout the match, not allowing any easy runs. Momentum. Momentum in sports refers to the progress or energy a team has during the game. Example, Bangladesh has gained momentum and should continue this winning streak. Keep up with. This phrase means to maintain the same level of performance or progress as someone else. Example, India couldn't keep up with the strong batting performance of Bangladesh. Shot. In this context, shot means an opportunity or a chance to achieve something. Example, Bangladesh has a shot at winning more series if they continue playing well. Yorkers in the last overs were spot on. Spot on means perfect or exactly right. Example, Mustafizer's Yorkers were spot on in the final overs.
Did you find these vocabulary tips useful? Let us know by liking this video. Also, Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the new lessons.
Part 3. Question and answer session. Now let's test your understanding of the conversation and vocabulary. I'll ask a few questions, and you can try to answer them. What type of delivery did Mustaphizer bowl to put pressure on the Indian batsman? That's right, a Yorker. How did Leighton Doss perform in the match? Exactly, he scored a century and dominated the Indian bowlers. What does it mean when we say Bangladesh gained momentum in the series? Correct, it means they were performing well and had the energy to keep winning. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Now it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat after me to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Did you watch the last match between Bangladesh and India? Pause and repeat. Bangladesh played brilliantly in the final game. Their bowling attack was so strong. Mustaphizer bowled perfect Yorkers in the final over. Leighton Doss' century set the tone for the rest of the innings. I hope Bangladesh keeps this momentum in the next series. Great job! Keep practicing these sentences to improve your English. Don't forget to review the new vocabulary and try using them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next lesson.